that you have to be clear about geometric progression. So we already discussed, so that should not be a problem. Say we are giving two example. One is 1, then 2, then 4, then 8, then 16, like that. So every time it is multiply by 2. So it is going on and on and on. So this is geometric progression because it is multiplied by 2. And multiplication division will be geometric progression, right? So this has to be very clear in your understanding. And another example, let us take, say it is 100, okay, and the next one is say 20, okay, and the next one is 5, no, 4, 100, then 20, then 4, then 0.8, and dot, 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 dot. So what is happening here? It is division. It is divided by. So it is divided by 5. It is divided by 5. So if you multiply by a number, if you divide by a number, that will be geometric progression. Okay. Now you uh, go to the formula. So what is the formula? So first formula is uh, the the nth term. So the nth term, we call this Tn. So Tn, the concept is same. What is Tn? Tn means one single number, one single term at the nth position. Okay. If you write T5, then that means the number in the fifth position. If you write T7, that means the number in the seventh position. So this is the concept. Now the formula. So formula will be A into R to the power n minus 1. That will be the formula. Now you need to understand what is R, what is A. So we already know what is A. What is A? A is the first term. A is the first term. We already discussed about that, the same thing. And what is N? That is also discussed. That is the position. Okay. So position means first position, second position, third position, like that. And you have R. In this case, you will use common ratio. It is not common difference. Uh, in the arithmetic sequence, it was D. In the arithmetic sequence, it was D. Now it is ratio, common ratio. So what is common ratio? Common ratio is R will be second term divided by first term, second term divided by first term. So that will be the R. You can also write third term divided by second term, and you can also write fourth term divided by third term. You can also write fifth term divided by fourth term. So every time the ratio will be same. Every time the ratio will be common. So you can also write fourth number divided by third number. You can also write fifth number divided by fourth number, like that. So every time it will be same answer. Every time it will be same answer. So do you understand what is R? Now you tell me what is R in the first example. So what is R in the first example? You check with second divided by first. You will check like that. Okay. So if you check like that, 2 divided by 1. Okay. And sorry, 1. And 4 divided by 2, or 8 divided by 4, or 16 divided by 2. So do you find the same answer? Yes, you find the same answer. It is R and it is 2. So you can write in this example R equal to 2. R equal to 2. So that is the common ratio in the first example. What will be the R in the second example? Again, you will do the same thing. What? You will do like 20 by 100 and 4 by 20 and uh, 0.8 by 4. So dot 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 dot. So do you find the same answer? Is that okay? Every time same answer? What will be the R value? In the second progression, in the second example,
Sir, 0.2.
0.2. So if it is every time same, then okay, then geometric progression all right. If you see it is not every time same, then it is not geometric progression. Be careful about this. So you know what is R value for the first example, what is R value for the second example. So when you know that, then you apply the formula. So there are two formula. One formula for one single number, that is T formula. Another formula is summation, that is S formula. Okay. So we will now give you the second formula. This one is one formula, A into R to the power n minus 1. So it is finished. Let me write the second formula now. So second formula about summation, about sum. So you will write this is the sum of n terms, sum of n terms, and this is written as Sn. So Sn formula will be something like this. I'm writing now. It is A, then bracket, then R to the power n, then minus 1 separately, not n minus 1. Be careful. It is not the same thing like here. It is not n minus 1 power. It is R to the power n, finish, then minus 1, and divided by R minus 1. So this is one formula. And there is a condition. Condition means when there is a condition. Condition is when R is greater than 1. When R is greater than 1. So the first situation will match. That means R equal to 2. So it is more than 1. So this formula will be used. This formula will be used. And there is another formula. You can write or you can write or, okay, or Sn will be another formula, different. Different means not very different, just a little change. One is first and then r to the power n. Okay, close the bracket, go to the lower side, again 1 minus r. So in this case, the similar formula, but one is first and r is second. So in this case, r is less than 1. So for the second example, what we have here, 100, then 20, then 4, then 0.8. For this example, you will apply the second formula. You will apply the second formula. But the first thing, that is Tn formula, it is same for both of the cases. So there will be no change in the T formula. There will be no change in the T formula. It is same for both of the cases. So you have to know that and then you apply. When you know the formula, then you will be able to apply that. Okay. Now let me know, do you understand the formula? Now I will show you how you can apply these in calculation. So do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I can apply the understanding, or now I can apply the formula for,
Sir,
yes.
sir, how understand that R is less than 1 or greater than 1?
Do you have R for the left side examples? Do you have R already?
Yes, sir.
So what is the R for the first example? What is the R value for the first example?
2.
Sir, R value is 2.
So you know it is more than 1 or less than 1. Do you know it is less than 1 or more than 1?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
More
and
than
for the
1.
second one? Okay, and for the second example, what is
Yes,
R
sir.
value? So you know already.
Less than.
Okay, so when, yes, tell me. Any more question? Okay,
No,
good.
sir.
So let us now do the calculation here. Say for the first one, we will find out, say we will find out T8. Say we will find out T8. And also we will find out S, say 10. Okay. So let us use the formula. So what is T8? Tell me first. What do you understand by T8? What is T8?
So the 8 number term.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So
Number of
please just tell me, Ghulam Rabbani, what do you say?
sir. I also told that 8 number of 8.
Okay. So the number in the 8th position. Okay. 8th serial. eighth position. Okay. So you can say 1 is the first number, 2 is the second number, and 4 is the third number. So it is the serial. It is first and second and third, like that. Okay. So in the same way, if you want to find out the eighth number, that will be T8. So what is the formula we have? We have A into R to the power n minus 1. So in this case, R is actually 2. R is actually 2. So you use this R value. So you will write what? T8 equal to 1 into 2 to the power 8 minus 1. So it will be 2 to the power 7, and it will be 2 to the power 7 means what? 128 maybe. You can check. Is it 128?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is T8. And what will be S10? What will be S10? So you will decide which formula you will apply. So which formula you will apply?
The first.
First one. Because, yes, first one. Because R is more than 1. R is more than 1. So we will apply the first formula. So you know the formula and apply the value. A is 1. R is 2. And N is 10 in this case. So you will apply the formula. So it is like 1, then bracket, then 2 to the power 10. 2 to the power 10, then minus 1, separately minus 1. Not 10 minus 1, not 10 minus 1, be careful. And in the lower part, you will write 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is actually R minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So it is 2 to the power 10 minus 1. So it is 1024 minus 1. So finally it will be 1023. So that will be the answer, and that's it. Finish. Okay. Let us now do the last one. Second example. So in the second example also, you will calculate two things. Let us do the calculation here. So what is R value? Here the R value is 0.8. So good, 0.85. Now you find out T7, say T7. Okay. And also let us find out S12. Okay, say S12. We are finding. So what is T7 formula? The same formula, both case. So it will be 100 into 0.2 to the power 7 minus 1. So that is the formula, and you do the calculation now. So what is 0.2 to the power 6? What will be 0.2 to the power 6? Can you do the calculation?
The 6.4 10 into 10 to the power minus 5.
Okay, then how can you write this answer here? (6.4) into 10 to the power minus 5. So how can you write this answer here? What does that mean actually? This is actually 0.0000, then 64, then 64. Why? Because the point is 5 times left, minus
minus
5
5.
is 5 times left. So from here, originally the point was here, and it is going to 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5 times left position, shifting. So 0.000064. So this is the 0.2 to the power 6. Then what will happen with 100? So it will be 0.64. Okay, that will be the answer. So into 100, that is why 2 zeros are gone. Into 100, 2 zeros gone. Is that okay? Do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
So you find out the S12 now. S12. Again, you have to decide which one formula is appropriate. So which formula you will take? You will take the second formula, because in this case R is less than 1. 0.2 means less than 1. So you will apply the second formula. So when you are sure about the formula, then you do the calculation. It's not very tough. So you will write down the formula like 100 and then bracket, then 1, then minus, then 0.2 to the power 12. So 0.2 to the power 12, and close the bracket and go down. You will write 1 minus 0.2. So it will be 0.8 in the lower part, it is 100 in the upper part, and you also write down 1 minus 0. What? You also need to write it down, and this one is 0.8. Now what will be this value? This value will be very small value, but you have to find out what is that, and then 1 minus this value. So what will be the answer? Okay, how many zeros will be there?
Sir, 8.
8 zeros. Okay, then fine. So 8 zeros maybe. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And after
Then
8 zero,
4.
after 8 zero there will be 4, only 4, right? Maybe some more things, but let us think only 4. Okay, no problem. So this is, and then 1 minus this value. So 1 minus this value will be 0.999999 something, right? So what will be the answer actually? The answer will be 124 or 124 point something. Oh, 1.24 point, right. 999, like that, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, it is.
So this will be the another example. This will be another example of calculation. Okay. So do you understand this now? Or any problem, any question? Any question or any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. So if you are okay with this, then fine. I will show you how the formula or the idea can be applied to solve real life problem, the application. So that kind of problem I will show you in the next class tomorrow, not right now. Okay. So let us just do some more here so that the idea will be clear, understanding will be clear, that will be good. Okay. So what do you think if I find out S 100 for this one, what will happen? If I find out S 1000 or 10,000, then what will happen? What will be the answer? And think about here also, in the second also. If you find out S 1000 here, then what will happen? In the left side, in the right side, in both cases. Think about this. What will be S 1000 here in the left side, the red color situation?
Sir, math error ashe. Maybe it's not possible.
It is possible, but your calculator cannot do this because it will be 2 to the power 1000, right? So 2 to the power 1000 is a very, very big number. It is possible to calculate by computer, okay, but in your calculator it's not possible. Can you find out 2 to the power 100? You just check this part. Can you find out 2 to the power 100 or not? If you just check this part, then you will understand.
Yes,
Is it
sir. Fine.
possible?
Yes, sir.
So,
Possible.
so maybe S 1000 is not possible, but 100 is possible. So you can check, okay, 400, 500, 600, 900, what happens, you can check. Okay. So the answer is, it will be very, very big answer. Okay. Very, very big number will come. Okay. It is possible and it will be very, very big number. Okay. Trillion, something like that. So what will happen in the second example? What will happen in the blue color? What about this thing? Will it be again the very, very big number and math error and not possible? Is it like that?
Sir, the answer is come 0.
Answer is come 0? No, then you are making wrong. Only the change will be here. Only the change will be here, isn't it? All other 100 into 1, 1 minus 0.2, these are the same thing. Just only change will be here, to the power 0.2 to the power 1000, right? So it is not 0. It is not 0. It will be again, it will be 124.9999 9999, 9999, and more 9, and more 9, and more 9, like that. You can check with your calculator and you will
Yes,
find
sir.
it.
Now, okay.
Okay, just more 9 will come. Okay, it will be always, it will be always nearly, okay, it will be always nearly 125. It will not be more than 125. Okay, it is almost 125 every time. So that is the situation here. Okay, that is the situation here. So you need to think about all these. Okay, so I'm giving you one riddle. One riddle. What is the riddle? What is this? What is called in Bengali? Do you know what is the Bengali term for a riddle? Nobody knows. In Bengali, it is called
Yes, sir.
dhada.
Heli, sir.
Sir, hearing.
Heli, sir.
Heali. Okay, heali bolte paro, but in this the concept is dhadha. Dhadha. Okay, you know the term dhadha.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm now giving you a dhada, and it is not only dhada. Okay, uh, can be a business proposal also. Okay, can be a business proposal. Okay, now you think about this and then you decide you will do the business with me or not. Okay, so it is very simple. If you in the next class, if you say yes sir, I will do the business, then fine, we will do it. Okay, and it is very serious. I mean, no joke. Okay, so the dhada is you in the next month, say January month, we will do that. Okay, in January 2021. So in the first day, okay, January 1, okay, January day 1, you will give me, okay, you will give me one single match stick. Okay, one single match stick, not the box, one single stick. Okay, you know the match, normal regular match in our country. Okay, and second, that is 2 January 21, you give 2 sticks. Okay, that means double of last day. You give double of last day. So it will be 2 stick. It will be 2 stick. Okay, and so on up to 31 January, up to 31 January, the last day in the month. Okay, same year, last day, same year, 2021. Okay, you continue. continue. Okay, continue like that. So if you do that, okay, if you do that, I will say 01, 0102, that means February. Okay, next day means February 1. I will give you on February 1. Okay, morning, just first hour. Okay, I will give you a new, okay, real BMW car. Okay, car, or any brand, any brand you like. Okay, any brand in Bangladesh you like. Okay, if you want to take any other car, I will give it to you. So do you agree? You can tell me tomorrow, no problem.